Okay, good.
Yeah.
And Alisa, Nofri, please duduknya yang rapi ya.
Miss.
And how about you, Putri? Okay, please don't talk to your friend ya. Okay, karena segera kelas kita akan dimulai. Okay, sebelum memulai kelas, ada baiknya kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Alisa, tolong dipandu doanya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni
Warzuqni fahman. Amin.
Okay, thank you, Alisa. So, before starting the class, I would like to check your attendance first. Jadi, kalau Miss manggil namanya nanti, tolong diangkat tangannya dan bilang satu vocabulary dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, Miss.
Alright. Yes, start. Gebrina.
Cake, Miss.
Okay, Putri.
Table, Miss.
Okay, Nofri.
Bottle, Miss.
Nadia.
Book, Miss.
Alisa.
Pencil, Miss.
Okay, everyone, thank you. So, who absent today? Siapa yang tidak hadir hari ini?
No one, Miss.
No one? Okay, all of you are good ya? Okay, so students, before starting the material, I would like to give you a motivation so you can have a spirit to start to learn. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so the motivation is in this PPT slide. Okay, can you see there are 4 kids here? Yes, they are dreaming. They are imagining about their future ambition. Nah, jadi anak-anak di sini mereka itu sedang bermimpi dan juga berimajinasi tentang cita-citanya. Pasti anak-anak Miss semua di sini punya cita-cita bukan?
Yeah, Miss.
Nah, seperti mereka ada yang menjadi apa itu? Astronaut. And then doctor and then Bomber ya, firefighter ya. And then what? Teacher ya. Okay, what we can conclude here. Jadi apa saja yang kita mulai dengan mimpi dan juga imajinasi itu harus dibarengi dengan suatu doa agar apa yang kita impikan, apa yang kita imajinasikan untuk masa depan kita dapat berjalan dengan lancar. Alright, okay everyone. So that's all about my morning motivation for you. So today, Miss mau nanya nih, do you still remember what was material last week class? Yes, okay, no please, simple present tense. So I think you have understood about the simple present tense, right? Nah, jadi hari ini kita akan coba nih bagaimana cara apply simple present tense in speaking skills ya. Cara mengaplikasikan simple present tense itu dalam speaking skills. Sampai sini kalian mengerti? Okay. Alright. So, di sini Miss akan menunjukkan satu gambar yang berkaitan dengan materi kita hari ini. So, please take a look at this picture. So, what do you think about this picture? What, Freddy? Yes, there is a French fries. Orange juice. And then? Okay, so what do you think they are bringing? What about this picture?
Their favorite food, I think.
Yes, that's a good idea, Lisa. They are bringing their favorite food and drink. Yes. Maybe you also have your favorite food and drink like them, right?
Yes.
So who wants to mention their favorite food? Raise your hand. What's your favorite food, Nofri? Kuah belangong. Oh my gosh, so actually Miss, what a good taste. Oke, jadi di sini nanti kita akan belajar apa itu dan bagaimana cara mengekspresikan favorite food and favorite drink in English. Okay?
Yeah, Miss.
So far you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, students. So here. Nah, biar belajarnya lebih lancar, here I will explain to you what is the learning objective. Ya, tujuan dari pembelajaran kita hari ini. So di sini Miss harap you are able to identify the social function, the structure of the text, and also the language feature of a favorite food and drink through a video on YouTube. Okay?
Yeah.
And then I hope and I want you to able to explain your favorite food and drink in English. Nah, nanti di sesi LKPD Miss akan memberikan satu kertas yang akan dikerjakan secara berkelompok. Nanti kalian harus mampu menjelaskan makanan dan minuman favorit kalian kepada teman dan juga di depan kelas. Okay, do you get it?
Yes,
Yes, me.
Alright, thank you. Nah, selanjutnya kita masuk kepada inti pembelajaran kita. So, as I said previously, we will talk about favorite food and drink. So, in the first, I would like to share to you one video about today's material. But before that, let me check the video first. Okay, wait a minute, everyone. Alright, this is the video. But before that, I would like to give you some guidance before you watching the video. So, please take a look at the video and listen carefully what they are talking about. Okay?
Yeah, Miss.
And if you need it, you can make a mini note, yeah? Because after watching the video, I would like to ask you some questions. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Alright. So listen carefully, everyone.
Hey, have you tried that new restaurant nearby?
No, I haven't. What kind of food do they have?
They serve different types of food, but their specialty is spicy dishes.
Oh, really? I love spicy food. I can't get enough.
That's great. I thought you might like it.
Listen carefully,
The
everyone.
food there is known for its strong and hot flavors.
That sounds amazing. I'm always up for trying new and spicy food.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed. They have a special spicy chicken dish that's really good.
Oh my god. Now I'm getting hungry. I can't wait to try it.
And if you're into noodles, they also have a spicy noodle soup that's really delicious.
You're making my mouth water. We should definitely go there together soon.
Absolutely. I'd love to take you there and try their spicy dishes.
Count me in.
Let's plan to go this weekend.
Sounds like a plan.
I'll check their opening hours and make a reservation.
Perfect. I can't wait to satisfy my craving for spicy food.
It's going to be a spicy feast, my friend. Get ready for lots of flavors. But now let's buy the hamburger first.
Thanks for watching. If you
Alright.
enjoyed this video,
Okay, everyone, you have watched the video. So as I said previously, I will ask you some questions. So far, do you understand about the video? Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so I want to ask you a question. What are they talking about on video?
Food.
Yes, they are talking about food.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken. What kind of the taste?
Spicy.
Yeah, okay, that's spicy. Yeah.
Ah.
Do you hear that they say they want to go to new restaurant nearby?
Yeah.
Yes, they want to go to a restaurant nearby to try some spicy food. Yeah, like
Yes.
Nompay said before. So, in this video, it will give you a preview about our next explanations about the favorite food and drink. Okay? we have watched the video. So now let me explain to you a little bit about today's tutorial favorite food and drink. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, so let's see the expressions. So everyone, because now we are in speaking skill, so it is related into expressions. Or in Indonesia, we could say as ungkapan, ya? Ungkapan untuk mengekspresikan makanan ataupun minuman favorit kita, ya? So there are some sentences here that you can use to express what's your favorite food and drink. Okay? Nah, karena kemarin we have learned about simple present tense. So all of this sentence is contain simple present tense patterns. Masih ingat kan rumus dari simple present tense?
Masih, Miss.
Oke, jadi ini dia contoh kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan. Dan ini sangat berkaitan dengan simple present tense. Oke? So, to strengthen your understanding about this expression, I would like to give you an example. Okay? Wait a minute. So, can you choose what sentence that we can use for the example? Who wants to choose?
I love.
I love. Okay, I love. Wait ya. I love fried rice. Okay. This is the example of our expressions. And then next, can you choose for me? Maybe we can use I am a big fan of. I am a big fan of. Maybe we can say orange juice.
Miss using coffee.
Okay, can you read my written? Can you read it?
Yes.
Okay, so I have given to you the example of our expressions. This is contain simple present tense. So now I want you, maybe one person to make the example in our whiteboard. Who wants to write it? Raise your hand. Or I choose one of you. Okay, Gabrina, please. I think you are the active students here, yeah? Okay, this is the marker. Please write it, Gabrina. Okay. I like. What do you like, Gabrina? Food or drink?
Martabak, Miss.
Okay, martabak. I like martabak. Okay. Good, Gabrina. Give applause to your friend. Okay, student. This is the example of general expressions. But I want to remind you that are so many expressions that you can use about food and drink. You can find it maybe on internet or a book. Okay?
Okay.
So far, do you get it?
Yes. Miss.
Okay.
You write the capital in there.
Right, where's the... Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you for reminding me, Frida. Okay, everyone. Here. And you can make the eyes. Okay. Alright, everyone. So now we are going to the next section. Yeah, that is about describe texture and taste. Okay. Texture, there are some kinds of texture here. Who wants to read it?
Crispy.
Yeah, crispy, smooth, soft, tender, English?
Pisang banana.
Banana. And then
Goreng.
Fried.
Banana fried. Oily.
is it good? Is it really the banana fried?
I don't know this.
Okay, just let me make it.
Fried banana.
Let banana. And oily, yeah.
Yeah, oily this.
And oily. Oily. Banana. So, students, we use M here because after this we have vowel sound here, okay? Okay, so far do you get it?
Get it. Miss, bukannya fried banana ya?
Fried banana?
Yeah.
Okay. Banana fried. Okay, alright. I'm sorry for the mistake. Maybe later I will make it better.
Ini.
Okay, can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay, alright everyone. Thank you. So far do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we move to the taste. So everyone, this is the kinds of taste in English. Can you read it? Okay, let's read it together. Delicious, spicy, sweet, salty, bitter, sour, and mild. Okay, so this is how we want to say test in English. But as I said previously, you also can find many kinds of taste in English. Okay? Okay, everyone. So as the previous slide, we also want to make the kinds of taste in English. Okay, let me give you the example. If I write here, can you read it?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay. Maybe we can make a sour orange juice. Orange juice. Do you think orange juice is sour?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes. But mostly they are sour. Yeah, that's right. So, this is the taste in English. Jadi, someone asked me that, so how to say if the taste of food is not good or isn't tasty? So how to express it? How to say in English?
The food is not.
Yeah,
The food is not good.
the food isn't tasty.
It's not good.
Is not
Tasty.
tasty. But I want to remind you, actually, in our culture in Indonesia, to express the untasty food isn't not so wise, kurang sopan, ya. Namun kalau emang kamu, but I want to say it, Miss, I want to express this food is not tasty, ya.
Yeah, Miss.
Maybe you can use this word, but carefully you must be wise to say it, ya. Okay. So far, do you get it? Do you get it what we have discussed?
Yes. We
Alright.
got it on.
Alright, so yeah, we move to the food, drink, and snack in someone can mention it?
Miss.
Okay, Gabrina, what it is?
Cendol, Miss.
Cendol. Oh my God, do you love cendol?
Yeah.
Oh, what a good taste, everyone. Okay, who has the same taste with Gabrina? No, you don't like cendol, no, Frida?
It's too sweet.
Oh, so what's your favorite drink?
Matcha.
Matcha. Oh, so Japanese, yeah. You love matcha? Okay, give a applause to your friend. Okay, so everyone, actually there are so many kinds of drink in English. Okay, like we say matcha. Do you know matcha?
Yes.
Okay, good everyone. So now we next to snack. Snack. Maybe all of you have a favorite snack, right? So here we have some kinds of snack like sour chips, cookies, donuts, nuts, French fries, and muffin. Yeah.
Muffin.
So this is the kinds of snack in English, and we also can find so many kinds of snack in English too, as I said previously. Okay. So I want to ask you again, what's your favorite snack? Anyone? Nadia?
French fries.
What? French fries? Oh, how about you, Nofri? Tipan. Oh, is it from Aceh?
Yes.
Okay, how Alisa?
Kacang polong.
Kacang polong. Okay. And then Gabrina?
Cupcake, Miss.
Cupcake. Okay.
Yeah.
You have a good taste, everyone.
Yeah.
So, do you want to ask me what is my favorite snack? Do you want to ask me?
Yeah, what is your favorite snack, Miss?
Okay, I love cookies. My favorite snack is cookies. Do we have the same taste? No.
What kind of cookies, Miss? Salty, sweet?
I love the sweet cookies.
Oh, which is cookies?
You also love cookies, Nadia?
Yes.
Okay, everyone, give applause to us. Woo! All right, everyone. So that's all about our today's tutorial about the favorite food and drink. So now, do you have any question about my explanation?
No, Miss.
So far, is it clear?
Clear.
Okay, I hope you understand, yeah, because we want to go the worksheet after this. So let me take the worksheet first. Wait, everyone. Alright, so here we have the worksheet. Because we have done talking about the material, so now to strengthen your understanding, we would like to do some worksheet here.
Okay, Miss.
But before that, I would like to give you the guidance, yeah? So, the guidance is, you have to do it individual. Do you understand?
Yes,
Ini dikerjakan perseorangan ya. So, here we have 5 questions that you need to complete with the box below, yeah?
Okay, Miss.
I will give you 10 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes, Miss.
Alright, so here is your worksheet. Alisa, Frida, please give it to your friend. You're behind. Nadia and Gabrina. Alright. Okay, students.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, do you understand? Do you have any difficulties?
No, Miss.
Okay, if you have any difficulties, raise your hand and say it to me, okay?
Yes, Miss.
Don't bother your friend, yeah? Okay, just do it. Alright, everyone, I want to check you. Alisa, do you have any struggle?
No, Miss.
No, Frida?
No.
Okay, Gabrina?
No, Miss.
Nadia? Do you have any struggle?
Wait.
You have 5 minutes left, ya?
Udah siap, Miss.
Sudah siap? Oke.
Ya.
Oke. Wait your friend ya.
Ya, Miss.
Let let me check here. Alright everyone, time's up. Submit to me your worksheet, Gabrina,
Sini.
Nadia.
Nopi, nopi, nopi.
Okay, thank you, Novi. Alright, thank you, my students. Okay, let me see. Okay, overall is good. I think you are such a smart student. Give a applause. So, kita nggak sampai di situ aja ya. Next, I want to give you a worksheet and you have to do it in pair. Okay, are you ready? Oke, harus semangat ya, karena ini bagian yang paling seru dari materi kita hari ini. Alright. Next, let me see. Okay. So, before giving you this worksheet, I would like to make some guidance, like the previous worksheet, yeah. So here we have two questions in the worksheet, and you have to ask your friend alternately. Do you understand? Oke, jadi pertanyaan yang dua ini ditanyakan secara bergantian dengan pasangannya, ya. And everyone have their pair, right? Nadia, you can be with Gabrina. Alisa, you can be with Novria. Alright, so if I give you 15 minutes, is it enough? Enough? Alright, so here's the worksheet. Nafrida, and please give it to them. And this, give it to them, and this is for T. Alright. Okay, if you have any struggle, raise your hand and please say it to me, okay? Is it clear? Alright, so just do it. Okay, everyone, you have 5 minutes left. Let me check your work. Okay, Alisa, how about your discussion with Nofri? Is it clear? Do you have any question? Okay, how about Gabrina and Nadia?
She can give any reason why she like the accent.
Oh, you don't know how to say it? Maybe you can say what is the taste or texture maybe? If you don't know how to say, you can say in Indonesia. Okay, I will help you how to say in English. Okay, Nadia? Okay, thank you. Okay, you have 2 minutes left. Alright everyone, time's up. Oke, waktunya sudah habis ya. Kertasnya tolong dilihat lagi apakah ada yang salah dari jawabannya. Tolong dicek-cek lagi. Oke everyone. So in the end of this, I would like to ask you to move forward as a volunteer to retell for us about your discussion on your set. Do you get it? Okay, who wants to go forward to discuss and to tell to us? Wants to go forward? Please raise your hand. Kita harus jadi anak yang berani ya untuk maju ke depan. Siapa yang mau? How about you, Alisa and Nofri? Gabrina and Nadia? Okay, Alisa and Nofri, give applause. Okay, thank you. Okay. Here. Please listen to your friend ya. You can send your okay, thank you. So,
Yeah, start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi No, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think every one of you have understood about today's tutorial. But before that, I would like to give a little reinforcement to you. Okay? So you will memorize about our material. So as we have discussed previously, we have talked about the food and drink, the favorite food and drink. So here is the expressions. These expressions is contain what? Simple
Present tense.
present tense. And you still remember the patterns, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next is the describe texture and taste. This is the kinds of texture in English. As we have made the examples, a tender bread, an oily fried banana. Okay, and then the next is the taste. The taste. This is the kinds of taste in English, and we also have made the example like here a sour orange juice. And then there is a question, Miss, how about the food doesn't tasty? So this is the expression that you can use, but you have to be wisely to use this sentence. Okay, so far do you get it?
Yummy.
Don't you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, here's the kinds of food, and yeah, you can see here, and maybe you also have so many kinds of vocabulary of food in English, yeah? And then the next is drink and snack. This is also the same thing like the previous, like drink, and there is a juice, tea, coffee, and water. And as Nobri said before, what is your favorite drink? Matcha. Yeah, matcha. Matcha. And also for snack. There are so many kinds of snack in English, like in our PPT slide. Okay, so far do you get it? Do you get it what we have discussed?
Yummy.
Okay. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
I think that you don't have a good spirit in the end of this tutorial. So please follow me. Kalau Miss bilang, mana semangatnya? Jawabnya, ini semangatku. Okay? Okay everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, anak-anak, mana semangatnya?
Ini semangatku.
Okay, thank you. So, why Miss? Kenapa Miss harus kayak gitu? Karena Miss lihat semuanya kurang semangat karena jam pelajarannya hampir habis.
Iya, betul.
Oke, jadi kita sudah membahas nih, sudah reinforcement juga tentang material kita hari ini. So everyone, in the end of this material, I would like to ask you to make a conclusion. Conclusion. Apa itu conclusion? Kesimpulan. Ya betul Alisa, kesimpulan dari materi kita hari ini. Okay, who wants to help me to make a conclusion? What we have discussed today? Yeah, there is a snack, kinds of food, the texture of food, and what? Okay, drink, and Nadia, did you mention? Oh, yeah, Nofri have mentioned it. Taste, yeah, taste of food. And how about you, Gabrina?
About texture.
Texture, yes, that's all about the how to express a favorite food or drink in English. Okay? So far, is it obvious for you? Apakah jelas untuk anak-anak semua?
Yummy.
Okay. I think you have understood about today's tutorial. I think you are such a smart student. Yeah? Okay. So now, before closing the class, I would like to ask you some reflections. Are you enjoying this class? Do you enjoy to learn English?
Yes.
Okay, so how about my explanation? Is it too fast?
No need.
No need.
Very slow. Is it fit to your understand?
Yes, so much.
Okay, I think you have mode to make your understanding more strengthened. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.